Hello, this is Dr. Eric Bricker, and thank you for watching Texas Family Insurance. Today's topic is losing insurance and still being able to afford child vaccines. So, as many of you parents know, there are a ton of different vaccines for children. In fact, there's a total of 10 different vaccinations that children need to receive, and they involve at least 25 shots, right? Because a lot of them require like 2, 3, 4 shots in a series over time to fully vaccinate the child. Plus, you've got the yearly flu vaccine on top of that. So that's not even including the flu vaccine every year. So the other major problem that we have in America right now, here in the middle of June of 2020, is that 48 million Americans have lost their jobs, and 1.8 million Texans have lost their jobs. And about half those jobs provided health insurance to those families. So now you have families with kids that need vaccinations, and they no longer have insurance. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through, okay, well, what would the cost of those vaccinations be if you didn't have insurance, okay? So the DTaP, which is very common for diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis, that's $48 a shot. Pneumonia, $194 a shot. Chickenpox, varicella, $146 a shot. Haemophilus influenza B, or just what's called the HIB, and polio, oftentimes combined, it's $106. Rotavirus, $131. MMR, $85. And that's not even all of them. So let's just take, for example, a 6-month-old child visit. When you add up the combination of shots they would receive at that visit, it would cost $505 just for the shots, not even for the visit itself. So with insurance, all the shots are free. They're free. Why are they free? Because the Affordable Care Act, which was passed in 2010, said that all preventive care is covered at 100%. That means there's no out-of-pocket cost to the person. Now, the government actually subsidizes individual and family insurance for people that make too much money to qualify for Medicaid, but because they've lost their job and they've lost their health insurance, they need to go out and they need to buy individual health insurance, which is incredibly expensive. So that's why the government has actually subsidized that based upon your income and the size of your family. So you can go to Texas Family Insurance, and I'll leave a link in the show notes where you can get a free quote so that you can see how much premium you have to pay. Now, sometimes the premiums are as low as zero, literally, because if your income is at a low enough level, then the government fully subsidizes your premium. Now, a lot of times the premium's like $25, and sometimes for the more expensive plans, or if you just have a higher income, it could be like $150 a month. But if you do the math and you're paying like $25 a month, so that's what? $300 a year, well shoot, $300 a year is a lot less than $505. Plus you get all the sick visits, etc. So the point is that if you have lost your job and you've lost your insurance, then looking into individual and family health insurance might be a good idea for you. And that's my point for today. Thank you for watching Texas Family Insurance.